Okay, welcome guys to the next Blender tutorial. So today we are doing a checkered floor. So I'm not going to be using the shading tab on this, I'm just going to be making a basic checkered floor. Essentially, what I want to try and do is kind of make stuff where we don't have to use nodes to make it. You know, like we're just building everything from scratch kind of thing. So what I'm going to do is let's take this default cube. And we're going to go ahead, just give it a little bevel on top. And I'm going to make a black and white tiled floor. So, let's go 7 to heaven. Let's go object mode. And I'm just going to go right click shade smooth. And what we're going to do, let's go ahead with this one. And we'll make this the white material for the checkered floor, because it's going to be black and white. So this one will be white. Then we're going to go ahead, let's Shift D duplicate this over to this side. Now you can do this by maths if you wanted to, so you could go, let's go back a minute, let's go Shift D. If you have it like this and you're stuck on this bit, you can also move this up if you like to go upwards rather than sideways. But if you press 1, the tower will go here. If you press 2, the tower will go here. If you press 3, the tower will go here. Yeah? So we're going to press 2 on this particular one because I think that's going to work best for us. So the second one right here, we just go to the material preview. So the second one, we're going to minus off the material, we're going to go new, and this one is going to be black. So we can have a metallic on here, we can do whatever really. Let's go ahead and just shade this black. So let's go with a metallic of, say, we'll go 4.0, 0.4, sorry, not 4.0, 0.4. This one will also go with a metallic of 0.4. So we've got two that have got the exact same properties to them. Same shine. Let's go 7 to heaven again. And we can go ahead and just start duplicating these. So, essentially, I can't remember what the actual thing was. I think we went 2. So, if we go Shift D, this should be 4. There we go. I was about to say, correct me if I'm wrong, it's 4. Let's get rid of this light so we don't end up duplicating that. We can put that back in later. So, we are going Shift D. And then, if we're going this way rather than this way, we want to go ahead and press minus. So with this, because we already have tiles in the way, we're not going to go -4, we're going to go -8. So if we take these and we go Shift D and we go this way, we will be +16, or at least we should be +16 in theory. And there we have it, +16. So let's take these ones and we want to go Shift D. And we don't want to bring these right on top because it's not going to be a checkered floor, it will be more of a striped floor. So let's go Shift D. Let's go Control Z and we'll go Shift D again. You can try a 2 so that it's directly above, and then we want to move it. So we want to go, let's go S. No, let's not go for S for scale, sorry. G. Sorry, it's getting late at night. G. Let's go G and we'll go with 2. So now we've moved across one. So now there's a tile here that we've got an odd one off. So we'll go G again and we'll just move this across to this side the best we can. So now we've got to select all of these. We're going to go Shift D. Move this up. You can put 4 in here if you wanted to. So again, we'll go and select everything. Shift D. To duplicate. So if you guys can figure this out, it would be +8. Boom, +8. And then what comes after 8 if we're doubling? Shift D. Alright, you ready? 16. So you're doubling, doubling, doubling. So this is the typical tiled floor. Now, I would generally make something like this if I wanted a very detailed scene. Say I wasn't doing gaming and I was making, say like the bathroom design that I did at the beginning of the year. If you guys were with this channel at the time, if you're not, go to the channel and then research bathroom design. you should be able to find it. If I'm doing just a picture, this is something that I would use because I just feel that the detail is just a lot better than, say, having a node do it or something like that. So let's go with lighting, because I just got rid of my lights, as you do. So let's go G and just place this in the middle, and then I'm just going to go ahead and turn up the exposure to this. I think that might be too much. Oh, it's not. So you can see that we've got individual tiles right here. It's not too flat. And you can see that they've all got their own little characteristics of dark and light, as they kind of absorb that light at the side. If you wanted more detail on these, I would say use a Veroni, or maybe make them a little bit more shiny. So we take the black one right here and we just pull the metallic up just ever so slightly. Kind of adds a little bit more detail. If we pull the metallic up on the white ones, you've got a little bit more shine. Just take down the roughness on the white ones, and they kind of go to this nice little mirror grey. So it's totally up to you what you would like to do with your piece. This is your piece, you know, it's your world. Yeah, do with it what you will. I guess I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.